In June 2022, UNEX Traffic Slovakia Center of Competence for Intelligent Street Lighting successfully completed the next phase of reconstruction of the public lighting on S&P Bridge over the Danube River in Bratislava, the capital city of the Slovak Republic. The iconic bridge with a gourmet restaurant on top of the pylons has got a new night image that represents the latest technical possibilities of public lighting as part of smart city platforms and systems. The modernization of the illumination on the highest part of the bridge of the restaurant with modern RGB LED floodlights was done in the first phase. In combination with the standard white lights, it can also illuminate the restaurant with different color shades. On usual days is the illumination connected to the weather forecast service and displays the weather or warnings for more than 500,000 inhabitants and visitors of the city of Bratislava in periodic quarter-hourly intervals. At the same time, this illumination can be used to express the support or belonging of the citizens to certain topics, such as the Day of Autism or the fight against cancer. The second phase, completed in June 2022, consisted of a comprehensive replacement of the pedestrian bridge lighting on the eastern side of the bridge. There were 285 outdated and high energy consuming luminaires with mercury lamps and an output of 120 watts replaced with modern LED technology luminaires. These highly efficient luminaries with an input power of only 36 watts can save annually approximately 75,000 kilowatts of electricity, which represents the reduction of the carbon footprint by 12 tons of CO2. In addition to the possibility of continuously changing the light intensity, these luminaries also enable independent communication and control using cloud management system for each lamp. This also enables the creation of individual lighting scenes and images. The entire management system is part of the Smart Light Management Platform from UNEX Traffic, which also ensures the daily operation and monitoring of 47,000 public lights in the city of Bratislava and the management and monitoring of 750 switchboards in the city.